Denver Tower United 739er, continue for west departure. Frequency change.
That's it. Just gotta monitor and make sure I don't stall because I'm climbing hard in this thing. This flight is from Denver, Colorado to LAX. United 737-900 ER. Takeoff specs is flaps 5 on 26,000 pounds of thrust. I don't know what our gross weight is. I can show you in here. Yeah, that's we're 153,000 and some change. Pretty heavy coming out of Denver, but yeah, we're climbing. Climb up, up and away. Gave it a little too much backwards stick to rotate. So used to the 7, I guess. But yeah, nothing much else happens during the flight. Zone 10, I don't know what that is. It's hot. You're supposed to do that yourself, you're on auto. Make it cold. I'm at 14,000. Slow down on the climb so we can pick up some more speed. Now it sounds like when you took off. This right here is a good view. You got a view of the engine and on the wing. What are we looking like today? Yeah, everything's good. Everything looks good. And this is our. This is why I like this plane. I can adjust my N1 limits here. This is climb 1. We got cruise. There's a climb, the go around, which is full power. I'm on continuous, which is just ever so slightly more than that. Looks like we're turning again. Yeah, this plane is really nice. The United 737-900 ER. Good. Airing. Yeah. I just gotta adjust this so we don't level off too soon. They gave us 34,000 on the sunroof. We always call it itinerary sheet for our cruise on down to LA. Take a look at the legs. We got a discontinuity. We'll be alright there, because we're not going to finish the flight anyways. This is the conclusion of this little demonstration flight. So, thank you for watching. And I'd recommend you could, if you want a nice plane. This one's very realistic, full of features, different equipment options. I can have LED lights, or I can have the belly lights. There's so many options when it comes to the PMGG 737. Dang, I must be freezing everybody out when they're at 60 degrees. Yeah, whatever. Anyways.